Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Syscoin. The price line of Syscoin has broken out a very big wedge, and I'm expecting that it is going to break out $1 resistance level. That is a very strong resistance for Syscoin so far. So let's start the analysis, but before moving to the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to show you this monthly time frame chart, and you can see that we had an all-time high by Syscoin was $1.02 back in December 2017 as per Bittrex exchange, and the price line was moved down, and you can see again the price line moved up and rejected by this $1 resistance level, again moved up in May 2021, moved up to approximately $1, even more than $1, and rejected. And right now we have another powerful candlestick on this monthly time frame chart. Now if we switch to the weekly time frame, then here we can see that we also have some rejections here at this level as well. Now I'm just going to place this trend line at the level where we have more touch points. Like I have placed this trend line here. Now you can see that even though we had a rally up to $1, let me zoom the chart out, and we can also watch these touch points as well. And we can see that we had a rally above this level, but the price line moved down. We had another rally, and this time we had a very long spike. Right now you can see that this is happening for the second time. Like previously it happened here when the price line moved up to $1.02, and right now it is again happening for the second time in the history of Syscoin, that we had the closing above this level, above this resistance line on the weekly time frame chart, and now we are having another continuation candlestick that is so far moving above the highest price of the previous candlestick. And if this candlestick will be closed above this highest price of the previous candlestick, that will be a very powerful confirmation for a very big breakout and a continuation of this rally. And in this situation, we can expect that the price line will also break out this $1 resistance level, and it will set a new all-time high. Now if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then recently price line, while moving here, it has broken out another rising wedge pattern. This is the resistance. We can see that we had a rejection here, then we had another rejection here on the daily time frame, then we had few rejections here. And if I connect all these rejections, and I'm just going to place a support here as well. So here we have found the support, and this is the resistance. Then our next imminent target after this breakout can be approximately here at 92 cents. However, I'm expecting that the price line can make another powerful attempt to break out this final resistance of $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.